Welcome to Bong Cookhouse. Today I will prepare a family recipe called Palang Chana Kofta or Spinach Cottage cheese ball curry. It's a side dish that is served with steamed rice or any other rice recipes, regular bread, and Indian breads like roti, paratha, puri, naan, and kulcha. It can be served as a day to day meal and as a special recipe during special occasions. If you like this recipe, then please subscribe to my channel. You can also like and leave your valuable comments below. Do not forget to click on the bell icon. Boil whole cow milk 4 cups. Switch off the gas. Add strained lemon juice about 1/8 cup slowly to the warm milk. Stir till the milk curdles and water separates from the milk. Add more lemon juice if required. Instead of lemon juice, white vinegar water solution can be added. With a strainer, strain the cottage cheese or chana. Pour water on the cottage cheese 3 to 4 times or put the cottage cheese in a strainer under running water to get rid of the sourness of lemon juice. Taste the cottage cheese to check if the sourness is gone. Keep in the strainer for at least 10 to 15 minutes or transfer it to a cloth and hang it so that excess water drains off. Drier the cottage cheese, the better it will be. Transfer the cottage cheese to a container. Add all-purpose flour or maida 2 tablespoons, salt half teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, nigella seeds or kalo jeera half teaspoon, and fennel seeds or mori half teaspoon. Knead and mix all ingredients. Sometimes I add cumin, carom seeds or ajwain, chopped coriander leaves or cilantro to it. Instead of all-purpose flour, mashed potato, besan or chickpea flour or arrowroot flour or wheat flour or corn starch or corn flour or any other binder can also be added. Added all-purpose flour about 4 tablespoons little at a time. Baking powder about a pinch. Amount of all-purpose flour will depend upon how wet the cottage cheese is. Finely chopped green chili too. It can be added earlier as well. Added it last so that the heat of the chilies don't irritate my hand. Pluck some portions from the dough and make balls. Got 13 to 14 balls. Roll the balls on the all-purpose flour to make them dry and strong. Take enough oil to fry the balls. Heat oil. Drop the balls slowly into the hot oil. Fry them light golden brown in medium heat. The baking powder will make the balls swell and become double the size. Put the balls on a rack or strainer so that the excess oil goes back to the frying pan. Take off the rack and keep aside. Heat oil about 7 tablespoons. Take diced potato to skin is peeled off. Add turmeric powder half teaspoon and salt 1/4 teaspoon. Mix well. Pour into hot oil. Fry till golden brown in high heat. Take off the pan and keep aside. Add oil about 13 tablespoons to the remaining oil left in the pan after potato frying. Add bay leaf 1, red chili 1 slit into 2, crushed cardamom 3, cloves 3, cinnamon stick 2 small, 5 foron half teaspoon, crushed cumin 1½ tablespoon, crushed coriander seeds 1½ tablespoon, and fennel seeds 1 teaspoon. Saute in medium heat till golden brown. Sometimes I add asafoetida or hing powder about 1 teaspoon, nigella seeds or kalo jeera ½ teaspoon, carom seeds or ajwain ½ teaspoon. The cumin and coriander seeds are crushed in mixer and grinder using the chopping option. Cumin 13 times and coriander seeds 23 times. They are made in bulk and stored in airtight jars. Add onion paste 2 tablespoons, ginger paste 1 tablespoon, and garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Saute in medium to high heat for 6 minutes or till the raw smell of ginger garlic goes away. Add turmeric powder 1½ teaspoon and Kashmiri red chili powder 2 teaspoons. Saute in medium to high heat for 1 minute. Add tomato paste 2 cups. Cook in medium to high heat for 8 minutes or till the oil separates from the masala. Onion, garlic, ginger and tomato are made paste in the mixture and grinder without water. If Bengali niramish is preferred, then skip onion and garlic and add ginger about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Add spinach paste about 650 grams of spinach, made paste with 2½ to 3 cups of water. Sometimes I crush all the fried masala with spinach to make a smooth paste. Add salt about 1 teaspoon, fried potato, and fried balls. Add lemon juice about 1/8 cup. Mix well, cover with a lid and cook in medium to high heat for 10 minutes. Sometimes I cook the masala and potato for 5 minutes and then add the balls and cook further. After 10 minutes, open the lid and stir for 1 minute. Cut a potato to check if it is cooked. Taste it, add whatever is required. My Palang Chana Kofta is good. Serve it hot with salad and steamed rice or any other rice recipes, bread, and Indian breads like luchi, paratha, puri, roti, naan, and kulcha. It serves about 3 to 4 people. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The links and recipe are given in the description box. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy, and enjoy life.